Hey everybody, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax here in Pompano Beach, Florida. We're your local Boston Whaler dealer. Today we're going to take a quick walkthrough of this brand new 2024 17 Montauk in the gorgeous platinum hull color. Such an awesome classic boat from Whaler. They've improved it over the years so much though. See a nice bimini top on the boat. This has the water sports arch in the back. It's got the upgraded 115 Mercury 4-stroke, the nice teak detail package. Has the jump seats in the back here, which you can store away when you're not using to give you more room to fish. You got the front to back passenger and helm seat here, the storage underneath it. We brought this one in with the Simrad GPS, Simrad VHF radio, and the JL Audio stereo as well. It also has the bow cushions and the cooler seat up here for those days at the sandbar. You can see it's got a swing away tongue on the trailer so you can get it in most of your garages. Just such a beautiful boat, classic boat, great for the family, does a little bit of everything. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach. This is a 2024 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555.